Hi, this is Palmer coming to you with another trading lesson from OptionsSpreadTrades.com. Today we're going to learn a bit about how to make money in the stock market by buying strong stocks and short selling weak stocks. Okay, so we've already talked a little bit about the trend and how to determine the trend. Let's just quickly review. Again, first of all, you want to look at the S&P 500. We want to determine whether the S&P 500 is in a downtrend or an uptrend. Okay, obviously, if it's in a downtrend, we're going to be short selling stocks. If it's in an uptrend, we're going to be buying stocks. Okay, and so here we have the S&P 500. Now again, the way to determine if it's in a downtrend, this is the 200-day moving average. It is below the 200-day moving average, and we have a sell signal on the weekly charts. So if it's below the 200-day moving average and we have a sell signal on the weekly charts, the markets are in a downtrend. Okay, just reverse that for an uptrend. Okay, so since we know the markets are in a downtrend, we are going to be looking for weak stocks to short sell. So how do I know if a stock is strong or weak? Okay, well, that's easy. I go to Investors Business Daily. That's www.investors.com. Okay, it's Investors Business Daily is a newspaper, and they have an online site. What I do is I type in the ticker symbol here. This is for Goldman Sachs. Okay, Goldman Sachs is a brokerage and an investment bank. And here I've typed in the ticker symbol and I've gotten a D+. Okay, now this ranks the stocks from A to E. Okay, so if I want to short sell a stock, I'm looking for a stock that is B or below, usually a B- or below. Okay, so again, the stocks go all the way from A to E, so B- and below. In this case, this stock is a D+ stock, so I know the fundamentals are weak. Okay, we can go down here. This is your earnings per share rating, which is a 37, also very low. That means it ranks in the lower 37% of all stocks. Okay, the relative strength is 73%, which means it's the lower 73% rankings. Okay, then we have a indicator for accumulation distribution rating. This is for the institutional buyers, whether they are buying or selling the stock. It's a C, so it's kind of in the middle. And then we have sales and profit margins. This is an E, which is extremely low. And even as an industry group, we have the relative strength rating, which is a D, also very low. Okay, so with all of these combined factors, we come up with a D+ for the overall stock, which is quite low, and so that's exactly what we are looking for. Okay, the other thing we're going to be looking for, we're going to take a look at Goldman Sachs. So in a downtrend on the S&P, we want to short sell a weak stock that is also in a downtrend. Okay, and this is a chart of the S&P, or I'm sorry, of Goldman Sachs. Again, the way we determine whether a stock is in a downtrend is we look to see whether it's below its 200-day moving average, which it is. Okay, and we can look at the weekly signal. I don't always do this on the stock, but we don't quite have a weekly signal on the stock. But if it breaches 79.79, which looks like it's sort of inevitable, no, 79.35, then we will have a sell signal. Okay, so the stock's currently at 81.72, so the chances that's going to happen are pretty likely. Okay, so again, we want to look to short sell a weak stock in a downtrend. We go to the Investors Business Daily website, we type in the ticker signal, we determine whether the stock is weak based off of a letter grade. Then we look at the stock. If it's below the 200-day moving average, like this is, and we have a weekly sell signal, then the stock is also in a downtrend. Okay, this has been another lesson from OptionsSpreadTrades.com. If you'd like us to do the analysis and get in on some of our winning trades, please come visit us at www.optionspreadtrades.com for our 30-day risk-free trial. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy trading.